Welcome to my channel. This is Network Mass. My name is Samuel. Today I want to lead you through the steps to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi is a Windows problem. Might not be your cause of it, but it does happen. Sometimes you on your machine and you realize that the network or Wi-Fi is not available for you to connect again, and this is a problem of Windows machines. All right, so it's very important that you know the steps to take through to walk through to bring it back to functionality. So that's what I'm here to do for you, and I hope that you get the benefit from it. So first of all, we need to check the Windows hardware functionality of our machine before we know what to do next. So let's check the Wi-Fi hardware performance functionality that support the Wi-Fi. All right, so you come to search box here, then you type in CMD, then you right click it, then you run it as an administrator. What you do is to click yes, and then when this window pops up, what you're going to do next now goes to ping. We're going to ping it. Then you type in 127.1.1.1, then you hit enter, and when it gives you this report or result, it means your hardware is functioning properly. But otherwise, with error messages, it means your hardware has a problem, and any other settings that you do logically can never solve the problem. But if it gives you this report, it means that your hardware is functioning properly. Your hardware that supports internet connectivity is still working. So it's a problem with settings and of Wi-Fi connectivities or drivers problems. So what you need to do, the next option is to go to settings of your machine, type settings, then you see network and internet. You hit on it, then it takes you to this place, the first status. Sometimes you might troubleshoot it here, but the troubleshooting sometimes it doesn't bring out the correct it will tell you it's impossible, unable to connect. All right, what you need to do is to come here and click on change adapter options. When you click adapter options, provides you with the adapters, all right, that's your network that is responsible for giving you network. So now the problem is with Wi-Fi, so you come under Wi-Fi, right click on it. First of all, you have to check, was it disabled? If it wasn't disabled, then you have to right click it, disable it, and then you right click again and then enable it, and it gets enabled. When it's done, right click it again and come to properties, and you click on properties. This window pops up. When you see this window pops up, what you're going to do is now go click on configure. When the configure, this window pops up, click on drivers. So you are going to see that this driver box comes up, so you click on update driver. So it's going to ask you two options here. Already, since you don't have access to the internet, you are not connected to the internet, you can browse the internet for drivers. So you're going to browse your machine for drivers instead. So you click on this one, browse, let's pick. So this one, under this box, you see the drivers that can give my machine access to the internet. So first of all, you see the first one will be automatic, will be the one responsible for the wireless problem. All right, so you move to the second one to pick it, and then you click on next to install the second one. But since my machine has connectivity and it can access the internet, I don't need to change it. Means the one that it's picked from default originally is working well. By yours, it might provide you two, but you choose, so you select the second one and you install it. If you provide you with one, install that one too as well. All right. Okay, so when you are done with this, I want you to restart your machine again and bring it back. And when you restart it, after you restart your machine and then the problem is not yet solved, what you need to do is to go to the next option. Then the next option is going to do with come to search box and type control panel, and you go to control panel. I want you to look for internet option. When you click internet option, this window pops up. I want you to go to advanced. When you go to advanced, click here under the option here, click restore advanced settings. When you click on it and then it is done, then you click apply, then you click okay. All right, and when you are done with that, don't restart immediately, but I want you to go to under the next option here. Come underneath search box here, and I want you to type in this PC. When you begin to type this PC, it will already provide you what you are looking for. So you right click it, then you click on manage. When you click on manage, it gives you this box. It gives you this window. This window is called the computer management console. It manages not just hardware services of your machine, but it manages all the services that your machine runs. So this box, it will include device manager and then as well as services. Okay, so when you come to this place, what you're going to do is you come under the last option here that says services and applications. You expand it, then you click on service. You're going to provide you with all the services that your machine is running. So I want you to move down and you look for WLAN config. Right, double click it, and when this windows pops up, what I want you to do in this place is, you see, it make sure that it's on automatic, and mine is running, so it will tell you that running, and I want you to stop it. When it is stopped, I want you to restart it again, and when it is restarted, I want you to click OK, and you are done with that, and then you restart your machine. When you restart and the problem is still persisting or not solved, then I want you to go to CMD again. You come to the search box here and you type in CMD. When you type in CMD, I want you to right click and run it as an administrator. So when you it shows you this one. Let me find something. So what we are here to do is to flash the log files on our machine, right? The IP version 4 that it keeps some logs that affect sometimes our machine. So we are going to flash our wireless Wi-Fi logs, all the logs stored in our machine. We are going to flash it out. So we're going to write nesh space winsock space reset, then you click you hit enter to be successfully reset. So now you move to the next option, copy this one. So you click you type again nesh space int space IP space reset log dot txt. All right, reset log dot txt. You tap enter, so it will resolve all your wireless connection, router, proxy, all the logs stored on the machine will be reset, will be flashed out and reset to original. All right, then after that, I want you to restart your machine again, and if the problem still continues, then you come to the last option. So we are going to hit hold the Windows key plus R. Then you bring it to give you msconfig. I want you to type in msconfig. All right. So msconfig, then you click OK. When it comes here, then I want you to click on the services. I want you to disable all the services and enable it back again. Disable all and enable it again. Then you click on apply, click on OK. It will tell you to restart your machine. Then when you restart your machine, the problem will be solved. That's all right? So thank you for following me through, and then I will urge you for your help to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell, like my post, and hit the subscription option and the bell icon to get notified anytime I make a new post. And also make your comment known below. There's a comment section below, so that any question that you have, you bring it up and I will answer you. And also I want you to, after that, when you are connected back to your internet, I want you to download Driver Booster. Driver Booster it helps a lot, and it will is going to pick all the drivers on your machine, the ones that needs to be updated, to tell you that update, to pick all, even both the already updated ones and the unupdated ones. So when it picks them, it's going to ask you to update those ones that needs update. So you're going to update them. When you do that, it's going to help your machine, all the drivers, bring them back to update functionality. All right, so I hope you've learned a lot on this channel. Thank you for your time, and see you on another video. Bye.